walk back for me. Stay together, walk back. You guys, watch out for the parachute, get down. Now walk forward. Walk, 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 walk.
There you go. Hey Sue, how are you?
I'm petrified. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god.
What do you think?
I don't like it.
We're gonna see a shark if we get lucky. What do you think, honey?
I don't like it. Not at all.
Yeehaw!
Oh my god. So scary.
Beautiful, right?
Yeah, it's beautiful, but scary. I like to see it on the shore. On the ground.
Look for sharks. There's our beach. There's our casa. We're gonna go for a little touchdown here. Wash my toes off, foot fungus, you know. How you doing? It's the Wendy Williams show here. How you doing? You ready? You ready to walk on the water? How you doing? Honey, how are you?
Scared. I hate it.
Okay, we're gonna touch down.
Off now, please.
Here we go. Drag, just let him drag. Riley! That's what I'm talking about.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It is windy up here.
Did you ever check the safety records on these bitches?
Holy moly. Is that pollution in the water?
Yeah. It's like a pathmark bag.
Oh my god. Oh my god. So scary.
Ain't got no money.
Yeah, those look nice.
Sue's new pedicure. I don't know if you can catch it here. I'll try to snap over. Down here's our platform we took off from.
Yeah, good plan.
Better in the Bahamas.
Your arm's getting cramped from holding on so tight.
I'm not holding on. I gotta catch my camera, you know, get my pictures.
Are we landing?
No. We gotta go down there first. Just taking a picture?
Help!
Ah!
Get me off of this thing!
Oh, you can write this off. Brittany will be proud of you.
It wasn't on my list. Oh my god.
Yeehaw! Turn and burn, brother!
Stop the bump.
Just missed that storm down there. Lucky thing for us.
Looks like it's going that way, right?
Yeah, it's going away from us.
How do you learn how to pull the boat of a parasail?
Huh?
How do you learn how to pull a boat from a parasail?
It's not too hard, honey.
Huh?
It's not too hard. These natives learned it. You have no formal education.
Please turn around. Please turn around right now. Please,
I think he said we were going to Nassau, 2-hour ride.
please.
Some hooligans and some jet skis there. Haven't seen a shark yet. Want to see Sharky. Shark Tank. Watch the reef. shit's happening. Here we go. I got my toes in the water, my ass in the sand. Pissed, I'm not seeing a shark. Let us down, we want to see sharks. It is Shark Week, isn't it? Damn. So what'd you think? Wasn't that bad, right? How you doing, honey? She's made it so far. See, where is she?
I'm scared crap. Get me off this stupid thing. Help.
Princess.
Right leg bleeding.
Okay, we coming down.
Watch us piece of that jet ski.
Negative, Ghost Rider. The pattern is full. You don't have $10 on you, do you? I'm gonna dunk our feet again. Here we go. This is where the sharks jump up and attack you.
I'll get off right here.
Yeah, baby.
I thought it was over.
It is. Just gotta get the altitude to take us in. Remember, if he's telling us to steer, lean, mean, fighting machine. See any sharks? Here's home base.
Oh my lord.
Home base Bravo. Roger. Coming in for landing. Lean that way. We're coming in.
I'm so scared.
Lean. Lean. Okay, now we're doing good. Straight. Straight. T-minus 4 seconds of landing. Negative, Ghost Rider. The pattern is full. It's taking a picture. Smile.